Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Gior and I come from Indonesia. I've been cubing on and off since 2017, but it was an on and off relationship with cubing because I have a family and I have work to do. But recently I've been trying to focus on cubing, and this is my first time to go to a real cubing competition. So it was really exciting, but also it's really nerve-wracking for me. And my first event for the day was 3 blind. I main Moyu RS3M version 5 for this. And for this 3 blind, the method I use is M2 for edges and Old Pacman for corners. For 3 blind, I usually mean 3 minutes 30 until 4 minutes. But since this is my first competition, so I feel very nervous. The memorization part took around 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Then I start solving until I made a big mistake there. I usually solve with the orange in front and yellow on top, so that time I did an extra slice move, which made the orientation of the centers wrong. So then I DNF'd my first 3 blind attempt. Nice. Now for my second 3 blind attempt. The scramble wasn't that hard. I also took about 2 minutes and 30 seconds to memorize, and then I do the execution. But I still DNF because nervousness, I guess. I missed some edges, around 4 edges I think, for the second solve. So I still DNF the second solve. Now for my third 3 blind attempt. The third attempt, the memorization took around about 3 minutes and 20 seconds. It was quite a hard scramble and hard to memorize for me. And for the third attempt, I also failed. I DNF'd. I missed 2 edges for this one. So all 3 attempts of 3 blinds are DNF. For 3 blinds, I placed 10th with 3 DNFs and no mean. Hopefully better luck in my next event, 3x3. So this is my first attempt on 3x3. And to be honest, because this is my first time competing, I was really nervous for this round of 3x3. Like, you can even see I finished the white cross for the red edge, but I put it up again and didn't even realize that midway. Like, that was so bad. So my F2L stage was trashed. Also that H-perm, bro, come on. Oh god. So first attempt was 44 seconds. So this is my second attempt for 3x3. So for 3x3, I main still the same MoU RS3M version 5. It's a pretty decent cube for me. And for 3x3, when I practice at home, I usually average around 29 seconds. My fastest single while practicing was 22 seconds, so I was very proud of that, but in this comp, nervousness got the hold of me. There you go, 35.5 for the second solve. Next is my third attempt. Third attempt for 3x3 was 33.7. Fourth attempt of 3x3. Fourth attempt was 41.4. And the fifth and last attempt for 3x3. There you go, that's more like it, 30.7. 3x3 is finished, and I finished 78 out of 92 people. Next round is 2x2. So here's my first attempt on 2x2. For 2x2, I main the MGC Elite, and I use the Ortega method. And usually while practicing at home, I averaged around 7 or 6 seconds. First solve was 7.14. Quite decent for me. Next up is second attempt on 2x2. Second attempt was 9.2 seconds. third attempt was 6.4 seconds. That was pretty good for me. Fourth attempt on 2x2. Fourth attempt was 9.7 seconds. And finally, the last attempt of 2x2. Last attempt was very trash. It was 11.6 seconds. For 2x2, I finished 61st out of 71 people. Overall, it was a very good experience for me attending my first Rubik's Cube competition. Thank you for the delegates and the event organizers for making this happen. And also shout out to my wife for accompanying me to this event. I really hope I can go to more competitions in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!